Assalamu alaikum friends, today I will discuss how to share YouTube videos. Most of the video apps are so interesting that you can't help but share YouTube videos with your friends and family. To share YouTube videos is very simple task. Open YouTube app, then tap on the video that you want to share. After tapping on the video, it starts playing. Click on share. Now click on the button that says copy link and the shareable link of the video will be copied to your clipboard. After copying the link of the video, you can easily send them to anyone with the help of the paste option. Also, you can share the YouTube video on any platform that helps you connect with people and send messages. Thanks for watching.